Hey there, fellow QuickBooks users. If you're handling payments through Zelle and want to keep your books squeaky clean in QuickBooks Online for 2025, you're in the right place. Categorizing these transactions isn't just about organization, it's key to accurate financial reporting and tax prep. In this quick guide, we'll walk through the steps together so you can do it yourself in no time. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't already, head to the dashboard and navigate to the Banking or Transactions tab. This is where all your incoming payments, including Zelle, will show up. QuickBooks has made some updates for 2025, so look for the new Import Feeds option to pull in your latest Zelle transactions seamlessly. Once you're in the Transactions section, search for your Zelle payments. They might appear as pending items, so filter by date or payment method to find them quickly. Now, for the categorization magic, select a transaction and click on the Categorize button. You'll see a drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate category, like income, for sales or other income, if it's a refund. Don't forget to add details in the memo field for better tracking, such as the payer's name or purpose of the payment. If your Zelle payments involve multiple categories, like business expenses, use the Split feature to divide the transaction. For example, split it between office supplies and travel if needed. QuickBooks 2025 updates include smarter auto-categorization, so check if it suggests the right one before confirming. After categorizing, hit Save and review your work in the Reconcile section to ensure everything balances. This step helps catch any errors early and keeps your records audit ready. There you have it. That's how you categorize Zelle payments in QuickBooks Online for 2025. It only takes a few minutes once you get the hang of it, saving you headaches down the line. If you run into any issues, QuickBooks support has some great resources. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if it helped, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.